Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers, and right now the game Subway Surfers, it is loading, and since I haven't been playing Subway Surfers that much, my sister mainly played this game. It's probably at the low score right now, but I'm going to try to bring it to like a high score, and I'm going to try to unlock characters and stuff, and then I'm going to end the video. So yeah, that's all the video is about, me playing Subway Surfers. Let's play. I died that quick because I tried to jump in and it didn't work. Oh, she already has keys on here. I'm telling that Galaxy camera notification popping up. And again, like in my other video, I'm using the DU recorder. I'm gonna be making a lot of videos with the DU recorder because I actually love this app. I love this app so good. It is so good, especially for videos. I was wondering how people do this, and then I found an app because I was searching up stuff for my videos, and yeah, DU recorder popped up. So I looked down below because I have to scroll through to see what it look like before I download, because I don't want to download it and it be some messed up stuff. I'm almost die right now. What just happened, you guys? This thing is keep doing that. I'm tired of this. It paused like that. It just paused like that because when I got that notification, and then it's gonna take me to the DU thing. That's the only thing I kind of don't like about the DU recorders, because it takes you back to the app when like you do like 2 taps. Well, not. I don't know, but it just takes you back when it wants to. I don't even want to go to the app. Well, I have all these coins. Coins. Let's see who can beat me. I know a lot of people probably beat this high score. I'm using a key. Sorry, Nevaeh, but I gotta use your key. She's at my mom's house. I'm with my grandma. So yeah. And I want to give a shout out to Queen CC KK. Subscribe to them, like, comment on their videos. Comment on the video that I sent you to them.